Hi, today we're going to see how to wrap text around shapes in Photopea. So the first thing I'm going to do is to add some guides here. So to limit my text, you can go to the search here and then just type guides. And now I'm going to select add guides. Now I'm going to move my window here. So now I'm going to change the value to percent. So now I'm going to add the 5% guide, press enter. So here it is. And now for the vertical, I'm going to add 5% too, press enter. And here, if you want to add, for example, another guide here, for example, I want to add for the horizontal, I'm going to left click here, add the comma. So here it is. And now just type the other value of the guide you want. So for example, I want 95 and then press enter. So here it is, and now press OK. And now go to view. Select snap to, make sure the guides here is checked. And here, let's go back to the search. Make sure the view show guides here is activated. So for example, here, I left click, it deactivated. So I'm going to left click and then, so here it is. And now I'm going to create my path here around the person. So let's select the pen. So here it is. And now I'm going to start. So from this point here to here. And then I will go here, and then here I'm just going to create a path here around person. So now in order to close my path, I just need to left click here on the first one. So as you can see, the cursor changed. So here it is, my path is created. And now let's select the type tool, left click here, select the type tool. So for the font, I'm going to use Déjà Vu. For the style, I'm going to use book. For the size, I will go with 30 pixels. And for the color, I will change it to black, press OK. And for the adjustment, left to right. So now I'm going to copy my text. So here's the text. I'm going to copy it, just lorem ipsum. So Control A. So I selected all text and then Control C to copy. And now I'm going to paste it inside my path here. So as you can see, I am still on the type tool. And now here, just left click inside the path. So as you can see, it is selected, and then Control V to paste your text you copied. So here it is. Now I'm going to select to left click inside here. And then I want to press the backspace here. So here, I don't want to leave the space up here. So now here you can still, for example, if you Control A to select all the text, you can still, for example, change the size. So for example, here it's 35, or you can, for example, even change the font or the adjustment. And now, as you can see, I'm still on type tool. If you drag this handle here, so as you can see, this is the path of the text. It's following the path we created. So now I just need to place it back so you can scale it down or up. So I'm going to leave it here like this. So now I'm just going to left click here inside text and then here. So now I'm going to leave it here. And now here, if you want to remove this path here, just go to the paths tab, select the work path, this one here, the path we created, and now just click this icon here to delete it. So here it is. And now I'm just going to remove the guides here. So go to the search bar here, just type guides, and now I'm just going to click on clear guides. You can also go to view, and then here, clear guides. So here it is. That's how you can wrap text around shapes in Photopea. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day, and till next time.